Superfine got its name back in the 40s when my great-uncle George Morrison brought some of the original samples from the trials on the paper machine to a customer in Boston. And their response was, "This is a superfine sheet of paper." And the name stuck. Yale is instrumental in the Superfine story. They came to us with a project in the middle 60s. They wanted to print the Ben Franklin papers, and they were looking for an archival sheet of paper. They challenged us, and we developed a new chemistry on the paper machine, and were able to make an archival sheet with Superfine.
Mohawk Superfine, in the hands of Alvin Eisenman, in the early days of the graduate design program at Yale University, became a staple for great graphic designers over many decades.
We have a phrase at the mill, and it's called "treat it like Superfine." And what that means is that only the highest level of quality is allowed to go out the door with this product.
Superfine is one of the very few products in the paper business, in the graphic arts business, that has successfully flourished from letterpress to offset lithography to digital printing.
We needed to provide a sheet that would produce the same outstanding results in digital printing that we had been providing for decades to the offset industry. The chemistry that we use on the Superfine digital products is definitely a secret sauce. It's proprietary. No one else truly knows what that combination of materials is or how we apply it to the sheet. The paint that we apply is better because the canvas is really good.
I think making is something that is being rediscovered. People a long time ago used to make things in their garages or in their backyards, and I think that stopped for a while, and now people are getting back to it.
Superfine has inspired designers for decades. Superfine is engaging an entirely new generation of makers because of its beauty and its incredible capabilities on digital printing presses.
The collaboration with Mohawk's been a real pleasure. We've always looked for ways to marry tradition and technology in beautiful ways, and Mohawk Superfine gives the new paper products that we're launching this really rich heritage that we're really proud to be a part of and to celebrate with our customers.
I think the Superfine gives a very truthful reproduction, a very truthful color to skin tones and nature, shadows especially, and it really holds the color, especially off of an indigo press, nicely.
I think what's incredible about what Blurb does and what the Mohawk Superfine paper lets people do is to make something that is so completely professional, and that Mohawk Superfine paper is really the key to that level of professionalism.
Bringing Mohawk Superfine into the digital print community has made a huge difference for us as a company. It's the future of Mohawk Superfine, and in fact, I think it's an important piece of the future for the digital print industry.
Mohawk and Superfine in particular is really a celebration of the creative spirit